Hey guys, Dalton here with Kershaw Customs. Just doing a little video on my UDR here with you guys today. I've done a few upgrades to it as far as I have the GPM rear planetary housing, and then I also have the GPM hardened steel front and rear planetary gear housings. And I threw on the GPM front trailing and rear not trailing, sway bars, and they're a lot stiffer. They're 3 mil shaft, so we're looking there. You have to drill out your chassis to make them fit. And at first I thought, hey, these are awesome. And then after the first run, I noticed that my truck would always sit kind of crooked after. Well, no matter how tight you get the screws on these aluminum arms, this still wants to slightly rotate in there. It's got a notch on it that the screw goes through, but it still is just a little sloppy, and it'll rotate, and then it'll cause your arms to sit like this. So I came up with a fix for it after emailing GPM and not hearing back from them at all. But anyways, I'm gonna throw you into time lapse and show you what I do here. I just take the Dremel, and on the top and bottom on each side, you just grind it, kind of oval it out, and then you stick a screw in from the threaded side first. Sorry, wrong way. Through this threaded side first and all the way up, and then tighten it down with a lock nut on top. It allows you to get a little tighter without having to worry about stripping it. And if the screw does end up breaking, you can still then back it out. Alright. There, you can see I don't know if you can really tell in the video or not, but it's got a bit of a flat spot on both the top and the bottom, so that'll allow the arm to clamp slightly tighter and give it more of a, so it can't rotate. If it was perfectly round, see, it spins, but if something isn't perfectly round, it won't spin. So we'll put that in. I've already done this to the rear and tested it, and it's worked so far. It moved one time on me. I had a fairly hard landing, but I didn't notice it until a couple days later, so it didn't move as much as it usually did, so I'll take that as a win so far. There's no going back to the stock sway bars after you've done this, so that's a bonus if you can solve the problem. So you tighten that down and find a couple of lock nuts here. There, much tighter than you'll ever get it with a screwdriver. Anyways, I will throw this back together and we'll see how it works. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Much appreciated. And as always, have fun with your